Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're doing well. Let's work out today. I will do lower body functional strength for today, especially those who have knee pain, lower back pain. So I will use the wall and then maybe I will show you some other kind of stuff, good stuff and helpful for you. So first, let's warm up. Nice and easy one. I hope it will not be very difficult for most of you, but if you find something very difficult, especially for your knee joints and in general for your knees, you can skip, because you take care you should not be injured. This is most important for me and for you as well. So let's begin first. Arms on the wall. You need to be maybe like 1 meter far away from the wall first. You need to lean forward a little bit. Try to have more body weight on your wall first. Then we will do just heel raises, nice and easy one. Just raise your heel first, activate your calves. Let's work. Inhale, exhale, keep working 12 times. 1, 2, nice, 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and hold 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. From here, keep holding your heels up, open your legs wide a little bit. What I want you from here, bend your knees, drive your hips back, and your chest goes down. Keep holding this shape, and then back up, squeeze your butt, straight legs. Here we go, we are doing 10 times. Inhale, exhale, let's work. 1, and forward. Drive back and down. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Move your bar back. 7, 8. Go ahead. 9. Last one. 10. Hold here for a couple of seconds. Hold. 3, 2, 1, and back down, heels on the ground. Okay, inhale deeply, exhale. Okay, again, arms on the ground, on the wall first. Then what we're going to do, we start with the left. Bring your left towards the wall first. Then from here we drive our left back, bend our right knee forward, and chest moving down as lower as possible. So you need to reach this shape. And then back. You drive your left knee forward and flex your right leg. Here we go. We do 10 times. Inhale deeply. Exhale. Keep working. 1, 2. Keep your right heel on the ground. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. One more. 10. And relax. Inhale, now we switch legs. Inhale. Exhale. Here we go. Arms on the wall. You bend your right leg, your right knee forward first. Then your right leg drives back, left knee drives forward. Chest goes down. 1, and back. Here we go. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and back. Release. Good one. Inhale deeply. Exhale. We continue. Next one. Arms on the wall. Then from here, Your right leg goes forward off the ground. Then what you're gonna, you can come closer. From here, your left knee bend, so it drives your butt down. And from here, just push up, and then down, and then up. Nice and easy. I think most of you should be able to do it. Let's say 10 times. Inhale. Exhale, let's work. 1, 2, 3. Keep your heel on the ground. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And switch. Inhale deeply first. Exhale. Right, left leg forward. We start bending our right. Right knee drives forward and towards the side always. Inhale. Exhale. Go. 1, 2, 3. Go ahead. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. One more. 10. And back. Good one. Release. Inhale deeply first. Exhale. We continue from here. Open your legs wider. As you can see, arms on the wall. Raise your heels off the ground. Then from here, slowly, we're gonna squat down, keeping our heels off the ground. And then push up. Squat down, keep your lower back straight, and push up. Here we go. We are doing 10 times. Inhale. Exhale. Let's work nice and easy. 1. You can push your chest also forward, flexing in your thoracic spine as well. 2. Keep your heels off the ground. 3, 4, 5, 6. Flex your legs straight. 7, 8. Keep working. 9. One more. 10 and hold here. 10, 9, 8, 7. Hold. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and release. Good one. Inhale deeply first. Exhale. Good one. Next one. Maybe it will be difficult for most of you, but maybe not. Right arm on the wall. First, what we're going to do. Right leg goes straight forward. Both knees are like parallel, right? From here, we raise our left heel off the ground. Right leg also is off the ground. And then what we're going to do, we are driving our right leg back and forward. Back and forward. In the same time, you need to maintain the strength in your knee. Just keep maintaining. All the time, push your knee out. So we'll do 10 times on each leg. Get ready. Arm should be around your shoulder. Don't try to put it too high or too low. And at the same time, try to not be far away from the wall. Otherwise, you cannot, like, you will not have good support. So let's work. Right leg forward, knees together, lower back straight. Raise your heel off the ground. Forward. And then drive only with your right leg first. Left, always stable. 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Heel always off the ground. 7, 8, 9, 10. And push up. Down. Good. Release. Inhale deeply first. Exhale. Same thing with another leg. Arms close to your shoulder. Then what we're gonna do, left leg goes forward, knee drives first forward, then you raise your heel off the ground, and then you start working only with your left leg. Keep your lower back straight. Let's work. Left leg back and forward. Inhale. Let's work. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and up. Good one, release. Nice one. Inhale deeply first, then exhale. One more deep inhale, exhale. Good one, we continue. Right now, 2 legs, our knees will drive down. This is very important. You place your arms forward on the wall, then step far away a little bit. Don't step too far because the tension will be higher. Then you raise your heels off the ground. And then what are we gonna do? First, drive with your knees forward and back. Raise your heel off the ground, drive with your knee forward, push your back forward and back. This here we're gonna do 10 times. Inhale deeply first. Raise your heels off the ground. Let's start working. Exhale. 1, 2, 3. Nice and easy. Move slowly. 4, 5. Push your butt forward. 6, 7, 8, 9. One more. 10. Good one. Release. Inhale. Exhale. If you cannot do so low, take care of your knees. Don't go too low. Go a little bit and step back. Go a little bit and step back. After you'll increase the strength in your legs and knee joints around your knees as well, you will be able to go lower, lower, lower. Even you'll be able to go more far away or more close. Let's inhale. We'll do one more set of this. Place your arms on the wall, legs square, raise your heels off the ground. Here we go. Rotate your pelvis forward and push your knees. Inhale. Exhale, let's work. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And back. Good one. Relax. Release. Nice one. I hope you'll find them useful for yourself. Actually, something that helps me during my years of training, and this kind of practice helps me to maintain my knee joints and knees in general is quite strong. But of course, you need to add leg strength, because as you know, if your core lower back is weak, your legs are weak, all the upper body weight goes in, tension goes in the knees, and then it goes lower. So you need to have strong legs, strong core, strong lower body. This is very important for our daily life. Then let's add one leg. I'm not sure if many of you will be able to do it, but I'm doing it, so I will share with you. So what we just did, I will do the same thing but using just one leg. Arms on the ground. First, you drive your left knee up, right heel off the ground, and then from here you are bending only your right knee. 1 and back, 2 and back, 3 and back. Here we go. 4, keep working. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Back. Good one. I'm a little bit tired because I did last 3 days too much bicycle, too much cardio, like a lot of lower body strength and cardio as well. So my legs are a little bit tired, and I'm not going very low, but usually I'm going even lower. It's not an excuse, I'm just sharing with you. Changing left, arms, raise your heel off the ground, right knee drives up, and we start bending our left knee only. Here we go. Left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good one. Awesome. Relax. Take care about this move. I suggest you, if you are weak, if you are not very strong, you are not very confident in your lower body, just skip it. You can try a little bit for yourself. Like, let's say you can do just this way a little bit and back, like this range of motion you can do, but try to not go lower, because later if you injure yourself, you will say, oh, this guy just break my body, which is not good. Okay, we are done with the wall. Let's do some gentle stretch first. Bring your left knee on the ground, right leg forward. Just flex your hips forward. Hold here. 3, 2, 1. Good. Try to bring your elbows on the ground. Hold here for a couple of seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then switch. Left go forward. Rotate your pelvis. Drive your hips forward. Hold here for a couple of seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drive your elbows on the ground. Hold here. Good one. 3, 2, 1. Good. Then let's do down facing dog. This way we'll stretch our hamstrings a little bit, and that's it. Just keep holding it here a little bit. Try to reach your heel with your heels the floor. This way you'll stretch your hamstrings even more. Breathe. 3, 2, 1. Nice and easy. Step forward. Keep your arms straight, lengthening through the spine. Stretch here. 10, 9, 8, 7. Hold. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And back up. Good one. Nice and easy for today. Hope you find it useful for you. Like, subscribe, comment, suggest. I'm always welcome for almost any comment. Bad, good, I'm okay with. Peace. Take care of yourself. Wish you all the best.